Have you tried out different ways to make money online and all fields? Don't worry, I have this one covered for you. There are different models on how people make money online, starting from affiliate marketing, selling product, and the rest of them. But most of them require you people spending money before you get to earn. In this particular video, I'm going to be showing you the free ones that gives you a higher percentage of starting, especially if you are new into the system. This is what we call the CPA marketing offer. In this case, when I come to this particular link, you can see money already reflecting here today. When I come to this other one again too, you get to see money here already beginning to build up. I'm going to leave the link in the description box of this video where you accept these two links. This one does not require people buying anything. What this system is all about is a system where you get to promote. There are different ways to promote. You promote, then once a person sign up, just submit his details, either email or based on the requirement, you get paid for it, just like this one that you can see, one lead. So when I go further down now, get to see these are top performing offers that you get to pick from. I'm going to show you how you get that done. I'll come down, you get to see based on country. When I go up, let me go to, then the good thing about this platform is you have the opportunity of monetizing your own links, where once they submit their information you get paid for it. You have content locker, URL locker, video lockers, and the rest of them. This one they don't pay, they get it for free, but you still get paid in the return for getting people to submit their information. How do you get this done? Come to this particular link, look at this very one. Take for example, we are going with this one. You click on it, you get to see this is men boxers. That means you are going to be targeting men who are interested in boxers, and the lead must come from Germany. If it is from Germany, you get paid $5 for each. Then you get to pay, you get to see this. This is going to be the link that you are going to be attaching to promote. If you want to promote this link, if I go up again, let me show you proof that people actually earning from this. If I come here, you see has earned $19 yesterday. You can see views, then you can see the lead. When I come to this very person, you can see, you get to see. So these are other people that are making money, $420. So to tell you that this is 100% realistic, and I've shown you my own too today already. So by the time I keep promoting, I'm going to be getting the traffic. You can promote your traffic through Medium. This is a platform. So I'm going to leave the link in the description box where you get to promote. You write your article, you attach the link to your article to read. You have a host of other ones: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, different ways in which, provided there are people in those particular platforms, you take advantage of the platform to promote your link. And there are some platforms that will not allow you to post the link directly. We have other strategies where we do that. We use Google Doc, or you create a landing page. What is a landing page? Let me go to ChatGPT to give me a sample of a landing page so that I get to see what it is. So take for example, this is the link I copied. When I come to this particular place, open this, now go to ChatGPT. Once ChatGPT, I'll tell it create a beautiful high converting landing page for my CPA offer. Here is the link, and I paste it and tap enter. You see it automatically generated in the next few minutes. Now our landing page is okay. You can see it has generated the HTML script for me. You can see with even the CSS and the rest of them. You get to see the final results. So you can see join my CPA form. This is the text they are going to see. I can still edit the script to suit what I want. If I come here to say save this under CPS, then let me go further. Now it is okay. Now it has created the script for me. Now if I don't want to use this particular platform, I can use other platform for it. I'll now say host this CPA offer, link here for me. Tap enter. So it is already suggesting 3 ways I can host it. You can see perfect seller.co, create an account, and the rest of them. And once it generate link here, tap enter. So once you finally have your link, you get it, you can use Google Doc. Take for example your Google Doc like this. I'm going to break down that in the next video so that you get to see how the whole process is. So when you are interested in this, I will leave the link in the description box of this video. When you click, you have access to it. So watch out for the next video. Look at it here, click on your Google Doc. So this is our Google Doc. We are going to pick any of the template that we want. I will scroll down. Take for example this very one. Let me open this one for you to see. This is a simple sample I made. You can see this is a sample. Get the best game. You can see when you go down, you can see where it's already showing the click link and whatever you think of. So that is a sample of how to do it on Google Doc.